12 out of the mid now, 12 out of the mid now, 12 5, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13 5, 13 out of the mid now, 13 5, 13 out of the mid now, 13 5, 13 5, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14 5, 14 out of the mid now, 14 5, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This next lot, number 302, is a Haas Sl-20T, hydraulic and maneuverable tailstock. See your tool positions. We'll go ahead and let you see it up close. See our spindle turning. Your probe. Year 2008. Includes the chip auger. There's your tailstock. Hydraulic positioning as well as hydraulic tailstock. As you can see, lot 302 is a nice running machine. Hopefully it's the right one for you. If not, please take a look at all the items in this auction. We have a lot of different Haas machines available with a lot of different options. Hope you get the right one for you. Good luck, happy bidding, and hope you get a great deal. Thank you.
95, you're at 9, don't raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sir. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10,5 to the mid, now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10,5.